In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery section and selecting Pictures or Albums at the bottom. Wherever you decided, after locating your photos that you wish to delete, hold the chosen one. And to select multiple right away, use those type of dots at the top right corners. To exclude some of your pictures that you wish to keep, click on the chosen ones. And then to delete the rest, use this bin at the bottom. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!